Yep. We're back again. Alphas here, a few alphas, a few other selected different cars. And so you can see people, but it's all a bit.
Back in my day.
Can't really go around because they've got a table down there, so.
Yeah, oh, that's why I tried to cross over.
We're a bit busy at the moment. Not a clear space at the moment to march, but also do apologise in advance if I haven't, if I do happen to fall over, which sometimes does happen, or get any information incorrect. It's just the way it goes on his channel. I also do apologise for people keep walking in front of the camera, but it can't be helped because of the way people are built. We've seen this one before. It's a V8 before. Nice in blue, really is. Stands out well. Got the Jaguars owners. But, unfortunately, my friend Audrey isn't here today because she said she's going to be somewhere else.
It's looking iffy all round, isn't it, really? Yeah, it's a bit up and down, isn't it, John? That's why I put a lot on the short sleeve.
That's really old, that is. 51 to 53, that is on it. XJS, which is very similar to, or more, it's the same as my friend Audrey and Dennis has. There's the same as that. But it's not their car though, because they think they've gone on holiday, so they couldn't make today. Which way to go? I think we need to go down here.